Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna go over how you change the font size in a Kindle Paperwhite. So what we wanna do is open up a book, and when we're in our book, what we wanna do is do a tap towards the top area of the book. This opens up a small menu at the top, and we wanna click on the first option, which is the capital A and the lowercase a. This is going to open us up some different options with the font. So what we wanna do at this point is click on where it says font. And you can select the font that you want, you can select the boldness of the font, and then you can see here at the bottom the size of the text. So if I click plus, you can already see in the background that the text is quite a bit larger. And if you ever want to change it, again, just opening up this top menu by tapping the top of your Kindle Paperwhite, clicking on the capital and lowercase a to open up our fonts area, and then you can adjust the size of the font to whatever that you'd like. And 5 is standard. You can go larger or smaller than this, but this is going to be that area where you go about changing the font size. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about changing the font size in a Kindle Paperwhite. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.